Okay, by now you should have your cutting board all glued up and we're ready to go ahead and put the profile on the cutting board. So remember that we have to feed in only one direction, and that is into the cutting bit. And so the bit is rotating in this direction, and so we want to push our board in the opposite direction. Remember, in shop class, we're always feeding into the blade. We never feed with the rotation of the blade or the cutter head. So when I do this, the first thing that I'm going to do with my cutting board is I'm going to round over the corners of my cutting board on all four corners. And I'm going to do that by putting my hand in the center of the cutting board and making sure that the edge of this cutting board is flat on the table. And then I'm going to drive it by putting my little pinky finger in the track, and then I will drive it with my index and my thumb. And so to see that, it would look like this on the opposite side. And so then I'll be able to control it. So I'll go ahead and start it. So just a few things to remember as we make those operations. Number one is with this rub ring, we're always going to want to apply pressure to that rub ring, and otherwise the profile won't cut very precisely. So make sure that you're doing that. Also, do not violate the table insert with any part of your hand as you're operating and doing this procedure. So now what I will do is I've got the profiles on the outside, and I will go ahead and profile the perimeter of the cutting board. Okay, so by now you've noticed that I always make 2 passes on every profile, and that is really going to help you with the smoothness of that profile. So I hope that helps you understand how to safely use this tool. Thanks.